So, hello everybody and welcome to my stream channel ACOnetwork. Oh yeah, and today I'm showing you something new. Today I'm unboxing these headphones over here, which I already unboxed, but you will see unboxing it. Yeah. Today I will be unboxing, reading you the specifications, initial thoughts on these headphones, and of course I need to tell you some problems that I got with these headphones. But before I do all of these, don't forget to subscribe, like or dislike, and share! Oh yeah, and let's start. So basically, box is nice, ordinary box, you know. Basically you get headphones with the microphone. On the cable itself you get these turn on off the microphone and the volume of the headphones, but more about this later. So first let's see the specifications of these headphones. So, headphone has 40mm driver, so speakers are not small, so that is nice. Frequency response from 20 Hz to 20 kHz, that is pretty normal, yes. Impedance 32 ohms, sensitivity 90 decibels, SPL per milliwatt. Cable length is 2 meters, so it is long. Y splitter that I have over here is 20 centimeters long, so you can connect, if you have this kind separated microphone and headphone, you can just plug it in, and headphones just plug it in on the end, and here it is. Next, microphone has pickup pattern sorry people, just a second. Cardioid unidirectional. Okay, we know directional and unidirectional microphones. Directional are, let's say, if you position a microphone, let's say like this one, into over there, and if it is directional, it will pick up the sounds only in that direction. This is unidirectional, so it means that it will take sound all around its microphone. More about cardioid stuff and these informations you can find inside the description below this video. Oh yeah. Type: pressure gradient, electric condenser. Then frequency response of microphone is 50 Hz to 20 kHz. That is pretty nice. Sensitivity -40 decibel volts per Pascal. Reference 0 decibels is 1 Pascal at 1 kHz. More information about this I will post in the description below this video, so if you want to learn, just go under there. These headphones was tested at 3 volts at 1 kHz. So basically that is all about these basic informations about headphones. Let's go and unpack these headphones. Oh yeah. Ow. So, first thoughts about that headphones. Build quality is pretty good, you know. But I do not like on headphones when this sound cracking plastic sounds happens. No, I do not like it. But you know, it is not so problematic, you know. Okay, Headphones, you have that it can adjust your ear pretty nicely, you know. Also, you have microphone which is not detachable, and you can set it like whatever you want, down, up, and so on. Those headphones also have this soft pad on the top for the head, yes, the head. But you know, this pad and also this are a little bit too hard for my taste. Maybe for some people not, but I believe that for most people it is a little bit too hard. And if I put it on, you can also select the size of the headphones like this. That's the size if you have bigger head that like me. So you can, and they are pretty nice, you know. I will test the mic so you can hear how it hears. Well, this is this microphone testing. It is good, it is not the greatest, but you can also use some equalizer third-party application that you can use to adjust the frequencies more to your likings. And as I said, also there is this controller which is a little bit too far away from the microphone and headphones. I would rather see like this, something more near the headphones, not so far away. No. But what can I do? Okay, so as I said, here is the microphone off and on. You can just turn it on and off. And that is the volume of the headphones. As I also said, in the package you get this adapter. So if you probably already know, this plug has, you know, 4 connections. So basically that is headphones and microphone in one. While ordinary plug has only 3 connections. And that is why in some cases, like on my laptop, when I'm gaming and so on, you can have separated microphone and headphones. And that is why we need the adapter. About sound quality. Sound quality is pretty good. I would like to hear more basses, especially when playing games and so on, but you know, it is not bad. Especially for budget gaming headphones like this one. Design of the headphones are nice, you know. Nice orange with G, you know, and stuff. All this is nice and good. But here it comes the problem. That headphones, I already sent it to a warranty. Because the problem is that sound from the headphones going to the microphone a little bit, you know. It simply does. If I connect, let's say, headphone and separate microphone, it does not. If I connect other headphones and use this microphone, it still does not take any sound anywhere. But on these headphones, it does. And basically, it is not problem when you are using, let's say, for gaming and when you're streaming, so that is not the problem. The problem is, let's say in my case, when I use one program that I take some of the programs out of the stream, you know. And basically, let's say I am watching one video and I do not want everybody to listen what I watch on the video, and that is why that program comes in handy. But the problem is, when I turn on these headphones and this microphone, it simply, all people can hear what I hear in this video. And you know, that is absolutely not good. Not good at all. So, only because of that, I am giving these headphones, let's say, 6 of 10. 6 because of the quality of the headphones and so on, but only 6 because this sound. And one another thing that I found out is that when I turn off the microphone, turn off and listen to the music, let's say on headphones, microphone gets even louder of these sounds, so it is even worse, which is not logical, but what can I do?
So this video was interrupted by me. Why? I have one little bit of news that I figured out. Why splitter for the headphones are problematic. If I connect just Y splitter without any headphones plugged in, I get sound from headphone jack to the microphone. So basically, headphones most likely are totally okie-dokie perfecto. But, tomorrow post office will take my package and hopefully soon I will get my money of the headphones back. But already another headphones are ordered from Razer, but all about models, specifications, impressions and so on I will be talking in some future video. So let's go back to my original video.
Okay, basically, overall, nice headphones. Not bad microphone, it is pretty good, but that problem I simply cannot have. I already ordered some other headphones, which I also show you, unpack and so on. Until then, I need to return this and get my money back of these headphones. Okay, so that is it for this video. I hope you liked the video, If you had, just press like. Also, if you have any questions, just press something, type inside the comment section below this video. Also, don't forget you have some information inside the description of this video, and so on, So, until next time, have a nice day and see you people, bye bye! If you have any questions, did not understand something, want to ask me something, want just to talk, just type everything in comment section below. Don't forget to like or dislike this video, subscribe to my channel so you get notified about new videos, share video with your friends, co-workers and others so they can learn too, and have a great day, bye bye!